What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to turn off Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. It's completely free to do so. YouTube doesn't charge you any money for that, and it helps us out a lot, so we really appreciate it. Also, hit the bell button, and please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers looking for help with their devices. Since Android 10 release, Samsung made some changes that might confuse Samsung users, and when it comes to turning off your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, you can't any longer just press and hold the lock button straight out of the box and have your device turn off without tweaking some settings first. Since the primary function of the lock button is set to wake up the Bixby now, there's actually more than one way to turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. First one is to simply slide down your notifications bar, and in the top right corner you'll have your power button indicator. Once you press that, you will have an option to either power off your tablet or restart it. Another way is to press your power button and simultaneously press volume down button and hold it until the two options to power off and restart your tablet present themselves. And the third and final way is to press and hold the lock button, but before you can do that, you have to tweak some settings. So let me show you guys how you can get back to the familiar way of turning off your tablet on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. First, you need to go to Settings, then scroll down to Advanced Features, click on that, and on top you should see an option for a side key. Once you press on a side key option, you'll be presented with options for double press and press and hold. If you want to be able to turn off your tablet with lock button, you need to make sure that your press and hold option is selected to power off the menu. Once you click on that, you'll be able to power off and restart your tablet by simply pressing and holding your lock button. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to turn off Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. Subscribe only if it's free, guys. And don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome, helpful content.